Exploring the intricacies of biblical prophecy, we encounter the profound notion of Jesus Christ's return to earth, intertwined with the construction of a third temple in Jerusalem. Currently, there exists a fervent movement within Israel dedicated to actualizing this prophecy. Have you ever pondered the profound significance behind the third temple in Jerusalem? Why does its construction evoke such vehement contention? Let us delve into the annals of history and the enigmatic aura surrounding this edifice. It is not merely a structure. Rather, it embodies a cornerstone of faith for the global Jewish community. Its significance harks back to antiquity, serving as an emblem of religious devotion, a sacred sanctuary for worship, and a monument of paramount historical import. Originally, the inaugural temple, famously known as Solomon's Temple, graced this hallowed ground. Following its obliteration, a second temple arose, only to meet a similar fate. Subsequently, the site has remained a focal point of discord, entangled in religious and political strife. The conception of a third temple, if realized, would signify a momentous juncture, a reclamation of a sanctified site, and a symbol of optimism. Nonetheless, the journey toward its resurrection is fraught with complexities. The site, revered as the Temple Mount, holds sacred significance for the Muslim community, housing the Al-Aqsa Mosque and the Dome of the Rock. The coexistence of these religious landmarks underscores the unparalleled cultural and religious mosaic of Jerusalem, yet underscores the intricacy of the situation. Over the years, endeavors to erect the Third Temple have encountered vehement opposition and formidable obstacles. An array of factors, spanning political discord, religious disparities, and archaeological considerations, have impeded progress. It is a narrative of unwavering faith amidst adversity, historical legacy confronting contemporary challenges, and hope amidst desolation. As the Jewish community fervently aspires to resurrect their sacred sanctuary, myriad questions loom large. Foremost among them is the pivotal query that could potentially redefine religious harmony in Jerusalem. Will the Muslim community consent to the reconstruction of the sacred Temple Mount? The decision rests with the Jewish community. Recently, the Jewish community has decided to proceed with the construction of the Third Temple. This decision, while momentous, didn't arise in isolation. It's the culmination of years of deliberation, propelled by a deeply ingrained belief that the construction of the Third Temple signifies more than just religious fulfillment. It's also a testament to the Jewish community's resilience and dedication to their faith. The significance of the Third Temple, for those unaware, holds a prominent position in Jewish theology. It embodies the ultimate stage in the prophetic redemption process, symbolizing the Jewish people's reconnecting with their spiritual origins. The first and second temples, both destroyed, stand as poignant reminders of the adversities the Jewish community has endured throughout history. The decision to erect the Third Temple, therefore, reflects both faith and the assertion of the Jewish community's right to practice their religious convictions freely. It serves as a profound declaration of their steadfast devotion to their faith and heritage. However, it's not a decision made lightly. The Jewish community comprehends the complexities surrounding the Temple Mount, the designated site for the Third Temple's construction. It's a location steeped in historical and religious significance, not only for Jews but also for Christians and Muslims. Indeed, the Temple Mount stands as one of the most contentious religious sites globally. Thus, the Jewish community's decision is a delicate balancing act. It aims to honor their religious beliefs while preserving the delicate harmony among the diverse religious communities that hold the Temple Mount sacred. The lingering question, however, is how this decision will be perceived by others. Will it be hailed as a stride toward religious freedom? Or will it be interpreted as a provocation? Will it foster unity? Or will it exacerbate divisions? Will it promote dialogue? Or will it stoke discord? Ultimately, will this decision usher in a new era of mutual understanding or ignite further conflict? Only time will tell. The Muslim community's response to the Jewish community's decision lies in their hands. This is a delicate matter that requires thorough consideration and a cautious approach. The Temple Mount, known as Haram al-Sharif in Arabic, holds profound significance for both Jewish and Muslim communities. For centuries, this sacred site has served as a focal point of religious and cultural identity, and its future is a matter of great concern and attention. The Muslim community's stance on the reconstruction of the Third Temple is intricate and multifaceted. It involves not only the physical structure, but also deeply entrenched historical and religious narratives intertwined with the site. Currently, the Al-Aqsa Mosque, the third holiest site in Islam, stands on the Temple Mount. The Muslim community has voiced concerns that any alterations to the site could disrupt the status quo, potentially leading to tension and conflict. In recent times, various Muslim groups and leaders have communicated their viewpoints. Many have advocated for peaceful dialogue and mutual respect, highlighting the importance of understanding and acknowledging the deeply held beliefs and sentiments associated with the Temple Mount. However, it's crucial to recognize that the Muslim community is diverse. Opinions and attitudes vary across regions, communities, and individuals. Some are open to discussions about the Third Temple, while others staunchly oppose any changes to the site. Striking a delicate balance between preserving religious traditions and accommodating evolving societal dynamics is essential. In response to the Jewish community's decision, the Muslim community has undertaken several actions. These include peaceful protests, community meetings, and diplomatic efforts aimed at expressing concerns and seeking resolutions. These actions underscore the importance of dialogue and negotiation in navigating this complex issue. Indeed, the Muslim community's response is pivotal in shaping the future of the Temple Mount. Their concerns and viewpoints must be heard and taken into account in any discussions regarding the Third Temple. The Muslim community holds the key to the Third Temple's future. As of today, developments surrounding the Third Temple continue to unfold. The Jewish community's decision to proceed with the construction of the sacred structure has ignited a flurry of activity both within Israel and on the international stage. These current developments are truly remarkable. The blueprints for the temple are being meticulously drawn up, with architects and historians collaborating to ensure that the structure echoes the grandeur of the original edifice. However, the path to construction hasn't been entirely smooth. There have been diplomatic challenges, to say the least. Negotiations with the Muslim community and other stakeholders are ongoing, and the outcomes of these discussions will be instrumental in determining the temple's fate. Amidst these negotiations, there have been several breakthroughs. The Jewish community has demonstrated commendable resilience and determination, pushing forward with their plans. Despite the obstacles, they have succeeded in securing funding and support from various sources, further strengthening their cause. On the other hand, there have also been setbacks. Protests and legal challenges have added layers of complexity to the issue. The sacred nature of the Temple Mount has led to heightened scrutiny and controversy, with various groups asserting their claims and rights. In the meantime, preparations are underway for potential construction. Archaeologists, historians, and religious scholars are working tirelessly, delving into the annals of history, to ensure that the construction, if it proceeds, will be as accurate and respectful as possible. As we speak, the Temple Mount stands as a symbol of faith and a point of contention. Its future uncertain but its significance undeniable. The journey toward the construction of the Third Temple is fraught with challenges, but each step taken brings us closer to a resolution, one way or another. The future of the Third Temple hangs in the balance, and the world watches with bated breath. The story of the Third Temple is a tale of faith, history, and politics intertwined. As we draw this narrative to a close, let's revisit the key points we've traversed. The Third Temple, a symbol of significant religious and historical import, stands at the center of our tale. Its potential reconstruction is a matter of deep significance to the Jewish community, which recently decided to move forward with plans to rebuild this sacred edifice. Yet the path is not without its obstacles. The Muslim community, which holds equally deep ties to the Temple Mount, has voiced concerns about the project. Their response, layered with cultural and religious nuances, adds another thread to this intricate narrative. The dialogue between these two communities continues to shape the course of this historical endeavor. The current developments in this saga hold a mirror to the complexities of religious coexistence. As of today, the journey toward the reconstruction of the Third Temple is progressing, albeit amidst contention and dilemmas. It's a testament to the intricate dance between preservation and progression, between respecting traditions and forging new paths. In this tale of faith, history, and politics, we find a microcosm of the broader human experience. The Third Temple serves not only as a physical monument, but also as a symbol of our collective striving for understanding, coexistence, and mutual respect. As we continue to unravel the mystery of the Third Temple, we are reminded of the power of faith and the complexity of religious coexistence. This is a story we will continue to watch unfold. We hope you find this information intriguing. If you've heard it before, or have any thoughts to share, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy our content and want to support us, click on the Super Thanks button below. Your super thanks is not just a donation. It is a blessing that supports our mission to share the transformative journey of Jesus.